COSV electric-powered dehumidifier built-in with 2 semiconductor, so it's far greater effective and strength-saving. Only 48 watts/hour. This means that it consumes simplest 1.15 kilowatts of energy after going for walks for 24 hours. Our domestic dehumidifier comes with a licensed adapter to make certain secure use. Widely used, lightweight and portable, which smooth to transport to the location wherein you need to. Ideal for rooms as much as 680 square foot, mainly appropriate for excessive humidity in all varieties of areas including bedroom, bathroom, basement, closet, kitchen, RV etc. Warranty policy. All COSV dehumidifiers are blanketed with the aid of using a 2-year warranty. We guide loose go back and trade primarily based totally on any product nice issue. If you've got any hassle in the course of use, please touch us to assist you. COSV hopes to deliver greater cushy reports to greater families.